Welcome back to Unique Car Autos. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate luxury, innovation, and freedom on wheels as we explore the most insane luxury motorhomes of 2026. These rolling mansions combine cutting-edge technology, premium comfort, and breathtaking design to create a travel experience unlike anything you've ever seen. The 2026 luxury motorhome market has reached a whole new level. These vehicles are no longer just recreational campers. They are fully equipped luxury residences designed for people who want to travel without sacrificing comfort, style, or convenience. From futuristic interiors to powerful performance capabilities, these motorhomes redefine life on the road. Starting with the exterior design, the latest luxury motorhomes feature sleek aerodynamic bodies that look more like futuristic yachts than traditional RVs. Manufacturers have focused heavily on modern styling, integrating LED lighting systems, panoramic windows, premium paint finishes, and advanced camera systems for enhanced visibility. Some models even include expandable slide-out sections that significantly increase interior living space when parked. Stepping inside, the interior is where these luxury motorhomes truly shine. The cabins are designed with high-end materials including genuine leather seating, handcrafted wood accents, marble countertops, and premium flooring. Large living areas provide a residential feel with plush sofas, electric fireplaces, and massive smart TVs. Ambient lighting systems allow owners to customize the atmosphere according to their mood. The kitchen areas are equally impressive. Many 2026 luxury motorhomes feature full-size refrigerators, induction cooktops, convection ovens, wine coolers, and premium storage solutions. Whether you're preparing a quick snack or a gourmet meal, these kitchens offer all the functionality of a luxury apartment. Moving into the sleeping quarters, owners can enjoy spacious master bedrooms. Equipped with king-size beds, memory foam mattresses, large wardrobes, and advanced climate control systems. Many models also include luxury bathrooms featuring rainfall showers, heated floors, designer sinks, and premium fixtures. Every detail is carefully crafted to maximize comfort during long journeys. Technology plays a massive role in these modern motorhomes. Smart home integration allows owners to control lighting, climate, entertainment systems, and security features directly from their smartphones. Voice-controlled assistants, satellite internet connectivity, solar power systems, and advanced battery technology make off-grid travel easier than ever before. When it comes to performance, these motorhomes are built to handle long-distance adventures with ease. Powerful diesel engines deliver impressive torque and smooth highway cruising. Advanced suspension systems ensure a comfortable ride even on challenging roads. Many premium models also include all-wheel drive capabilities, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, collision avoidance systems, and 360-degree camera technology for added safety. Now let's talk about pricing. Luxury comes at a cost, and these motorhomes represent the very top of the market. Entry-level luxury models typically start around $250,000 to $400,000. Mid-range premium motorhomes can range between $500,000 and $1 million depending on features and customization options. For the most exclusive ultra-luxury models, prices can exceed $2 million, offering unmatched craftsmanship, technology, and comfort. Despite their high price tags, many buyers see these motorhomes as a lifestyle investment. They provide the freedom to travel anywhere while enjoying the comforts of a luxury home. For families, retirees, entrepreneurs, and adventure enthusiasts, these vehicles offer a unique combination of mobility and luxury that few other products can match. The 2026 luxury motorhome industry continues pushing boundaries with innovative designs, smarter technologies, and more luxurious amenities than ever before. Whether you're dreaming of cross-country adventures or simply fascinated by extraordinary engineering, these incredible motorhomes showcase the future of luxury travel. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Unique Car Autos, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews of the world's most amazing cars, SUVs, supercars, and luxury motorhomes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.